Now, what you are looking at on the screen right now is Solomzi ripping what he saw. The truth is finally out about him and Nolita, and that is what I want to talk about here in this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So, Chuma found Solomzi's belt in his house recently, and Solomzi's belt being in Chuma's house could mean only one thing, and that is Solomzi is the one who slept with Nolita. So, Chuma now confronts Solomzi about this, and things end up with Chuma and Solomzi fighting, as you can see on the screen right now. You know, I actually don't think that this is enough. Solomzi doesn't really deserve a few punches and a slap. He deserves a real punishment. You know, something bigger than that. Or something. And someone in the comment section was asking why I hate Solomzi so much. Guys, I did mention this on a previous video that I made about this topic. Solomzi pissed us all when he first came on the show. He came here when Kaya was blind, but that didn't stop him from betraying Kaya. He was busy with Nani, sleeping with her, knowing very well that she was married to Kaya. And that is fine, because they ended up getting married and lived happily ever after. Now, what pisses me off is, what does he do with Nolita now? Why didn't he tell Chuma immediately when Nolita started flirting with him? Because that is what a loyal brother could have done. But then, the score is 1-1, because Chuma also stole from Solomzi several times, stealing caskets. Now, I think that when Chuma confronts him about that, Solomzi will use that as well against Chuma. I think he'll threaten Chuma and promise to get him arrested. Pela, Solomzi also has a video of Chuma stealing those caskets. So, he has enough evidence to get him into trouble with the minister or with the cops. And what I'm thinking at this point is that, since they both betrayed each other, they will just want to settle this and start on a new page. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to comment there on the comment section. What do you think about Chuma finding out about Solomzi and Nolita? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it. Subscribe to the channel if you ain't subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.